lot of different trails to do on the mountain, so the good news is that if we don't have parking at some trails, then there might be like 100 more that we can check out.
Yeah.
So,
Fingers crossed.
yes, we'll see.
Tay-Tay's doing the food vlog.
Follow me on TikTok. Oh!
I wonder what he's thinking about. Oh yeah?
Like a barricade?
The lady in the front has...
Like a dog?
So we're heading to Trillium Lake shortly if we can find parking.
I got spit dripping down my chin. Yeah, it's all double.
Very good. Super good. My fave. We got the Cassia black tea. The taro balls. They got us with the samples. They did. And they're very good. But they do have caffeine and it's
We needed it though.
late, so yeah, we do need it. But the guys got the volcano. All of it? No, I did. 2 volcano and 1 Cassia. Yep. And they seem to be enjoying it. But this place is really cool. So peaceful. We're having an early start this morning. We are playing some pool before Tay and Michael come down. And then we're gonna head to Orenco Station, Hillsboro downtown, and then we're gonna go drive up to Naked Falls.
I would hope so. Go to like Beaverton or something else.
We're headed to Naked Falls and Dougan Falls. Dougan. And it's supposed to be cloudy, but it's looking a little bit blue.
It's looking bright, at least.
Bright. And it's warming up. It's 75 degrees outside. So we're hopeful that we'll be able to go into the water this time. Because Trillium, like yesterday, was cold looking. it looked a little brown beer colored.
Yes.
We're at Naked Falls. I'm waiting for Shea to come down from this beaver den. A lot of people, but there's a lot of little spots to hang out at. And it's pretty cool. It goes quite far. There's another bridge down there, but most of the folks are back that way, where we came from, because there's places to jump off and the pools are deeper and they're a lot more blue. So we're gonna head back over there and then probably set up camp for a little bit, hang out for a few hours.
It's nice. Water's super cold though.
Very cool.
Better to feel pain than nothing at all. The opposite of love's indeed
are now playing pool. And we are currently winning. Everyone's doing bad. We're back in the car because there were wasps everywhere. I walked from one side of the court to the other and one was following my back, so we're gonna try to find another place, and if not, then we might just have to park somewhere else or just walk around the neighborhood.
I would do the same, bitch. And the highway signs say we're close, but I don't read those things anymore. I never trusted my own eyes. When we were young, when it got cold, ooh, we bundled up. I can't be told, I can't be done. Head it up. Head it up. Head up, my love. Head up, I still spin it around the room at 81 till the day that we die young. We'll grow old, but we'll never grow up. And we'll still be skinny dipping in the pond. We'll have one hell of a run. We'll grow old, but we'll never grow up. Let's go back quick. I'll kiss you slowly every minute that I get. While the years get lost in time, we'll be drinking red wine from our coffee cups outside. And we're gonna change, we're gonna grade. And we'll be okay. We'll grow up, but we'll never grow up. I still spin it around the room at 81 till the day that we die young. We'll grow old, but we'll never grow up. And we'll still be skinny dipping in the pond. We'll have one hell of a run. We'll grow old, but we'll never grow up. We'll never slow down as the world spins around and around. We'll grow old, but we'll never grow up. We'll never slow down as the world spins around and around. We'll grow old, but we'll never grow up. We'll do the things we can't afford. Fly up to Alaska, see the lights up in the north. We have grandkids in our home. They'll make fun of us for singing songs they don't know. And we're gonna change, we're gonna grade. And we'll be okay. We'll grow old, but we'll never grow up. I still spin it around the room at 81 till the day that we die young. We'll grow old, but we'll never grow up. And we'll still be
Just finished.
Playing volleyball.
I love sand volleyball.
Lines in our face, and I need such aid every day. We'll grow old, but we'll never grow up till we're deep in
loud. And she's stressed because Michael is gone.